What are some of the common fact patterns you'd see in Orlando with a rollover case from the cases you've handled?
Oftentimes with rollover, it's typically a high-speed impact. Typically, you have two vehicles on a highway, both traveling at high speeds, and oftentimes it is a rear-end collision which occurred at high speeds, which causes a loss of control of the car in front. Oftentimes, you also see one vehicle drifting into the lane next to them and doing an unintentional pit maneuver, which can cause a car to spin out and at high speeds, unfortunately, rollover. Rollover collisions are some of the most severe, not only because they happen at high speeds, but because of the trauma is significant. Right, when you're dealing with a rollover, almost all body parts are going to come in contact with some portion of the car. It's almost inevitable. Typically, in rollover collisions, we experience traumatic brain injuries, whether it be from an individual's head hitting the roof, the window, the steering wheel, the headrest. Oftentimes you're dealing with multiple traumas. If it's a rear-end collision, regardless of how severe, you can expect to have one collision, one impact, one force that impacts you.